In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Salesforce. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process for connecting these two tools so your work stays aligned across teams. First, open your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want the integration to live, especially if you belong to multiple workspaces. If you're using a company setup, confirm that your role has permission to manage apps and integrations. This helps avoid access errors later. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click More. This expands the full menu so you can reach everything you don't see at a glance. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or use the toggle to expand it. If the More option isn't visible to you, it may be hidden by your role permissions, so you might need an admin to grant access. Next, click Apps. This opens the Apps directory, where ClickUp lists available integrations and add-ons. Think of it as your integration hub. It's organized to help you find what you need fast, including search and categories so you don't have to scroll endlessly. Now locate Salesforce. Use the search bar at the top of the Apps directory and type Salesforce. You should see the official Salesforce option appear. Open it to view a brief description, any notes about permissions, and the Connect button. Click it and follow the prompts on your screen. The steps you see can vary slightly by account and permissions, but the flow is usually straightforward. You'll typically be asked to authorize ClickUp to connect to Salesforce. That may involve signing into Salesforce, granting permission for data access, and confirming the workspace that will use the integration. If you work with multiple Salesforce environments, you might be prompted to choose production or sandbox. Continue through each screen carefully, reviewing what data types or objects you're allowing, such as tasks, opportunities, or accounts, as applicable to your setup. You may also see options to map fields, select which records to sync, or define when updates happen. If any permission errors appear, check that you have the right Salesforce rights, or contact an admin to approve the connection. When the prompts finish, you're done. Your ClickUp workspace is now connected to Salesforce, and the integration is ready to support your workflows. You can revisit the Apps section anytime to adjust settings or disconnect if needed. That's it, simple, secure, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly connected workspace.